Just testing angles at the moment. What's interesting over there is it? Oops. Come on, babe. How's you going? This is basically her assault course that she does most days. Don't be scared. See, this is a dangerous thing for her to be on, because she has fallen inside the cage before because it's open at the top. So every time she goes on it, she's risking life and limb. Oh, I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Yep, I knew it. You found a secret way to get to speak to your parents through the cage. I knew it. Oh God, tripping over things again. Where's he gonna go? Yeah, the room is a bit of a mess again. But to be fair, it's the birds that mainly do it. Right. You say goodbye to everybody. We were Chase running away from the camera.